Guys, for today's video, isang online lending app yung gusto kong pag-usapan natin. Bakit? Kasi habang nanonood ako ng TV sa sala, may ad na lumabas sa TV na kinagulat ko. Kasi kilala ko tong babaeng to Itong babaeng to ay endorser o siya yung laging nandun sa mga commercial ni Mocha Mocha. And naisip ko, siya yun Bakit nasa ibang lending app siya? Lumipat na ba siya? The boat is sinking na ba? Para sa Mocha Mocha? Parang hindi. So, hindi ko alam talaga, but ito yung mga theories ko. Samahan niyo ako pag-usapan natin si Prima Loan. So, sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron akong knowledge na ginawan ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, panoorin muna natin itong na-capture ko na ad ni Prima Loan habang nanonood ako ng TV. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, medyo snippet lang to. Hindi to talaga full video na nakuha ko. Kasi nung nagulat talaga ako, napakuha talaga ako ng cellphone at hinanap ko pa yung camera button tsaka lang nakapag-record. Pero kung mapapansin nyo dito, di ba, siya nga yung endorser or laging lumalabas na artist sa commercial ni Mocha Mocha, di ba? And ito makikita nyo, may watermark itong video niya na nakalagay na Mocha Mocha. Pero this is an advertisement coming from Prima Loan. So, ito yung mga theories ko. Lumipat na ba itong babaeng ito sa Prima Loan? Pangalawang theory, pinagamit ni Mocha Mocha yung kanyang video kay Prima Loan. Pwede ring pangatlong theory, kinuha lang ni Prima Loan itong ad na to at ginawa niya sa kanya. Wherein si Mocha Mocha, kung maalala nyo yung dating video ko ng Mocha Mocha, na ang ginawa naman niya ay kumuha siya ng video ad ni Rufa May Quinto at ginawa niya sa kanya. Pang-apat, i-convert na ba si Mocha Mocha kay Prima Loan? 'Di ba? Ang daming theories. So, hindi ko alam talaga ang sagot diyan. Pero yun yung tumakbo sa utak ko bakit yung advertisement ni Mocha Mocha ay na kay Prima Loan. Hindi ko po alam. So, kung may alam kayo, please let me know sa comment section sa baba kung bakit ganyan ang advertisement ni Prima Loan. Pero, ayan, dahil nga na-caught ni Prima Loan ang attention ko, i-review ko to sa inyo ngayon. Okay, so unang-una, punta muna tayo sa Google. Tingnan natin kung may website si Prima Loan. primaloan.top. Feeling ko ito na naman yung one-page websites So, about us, Prima Fintech Philippines Lending Corporation. So, yun daw yung kanyang pangalan. Registered business name is Light Credit. So, check natin yung SEC niya. Ito, Prima Fintech Lending Corporation. So, ang hawak nga niya ay Light Credit, Peso Pocket, at saka Prima Loan. So, wala naman Mocha Mocha. So, hindi natin alam. Okay, balik tayo sa website niya. Product features daw, fastest approvals. No collateral, instant money. Wala namang kakaiba. So, check na natin yung app ni Prima Loan. So, doon natin makikita yung mga information na hinahanap natin. So, ito, Prima Loan. Sabi niya, up to 0.2% daily interest. Kung totoo to, medyo mababa to. Apply for up to 50,000 credit daw with just one valid ID. Increase credit limit with reborrowing. Easy transaction with GCash and other cash out option. Ayan. No harassment daw. Goodwill reminders only. Okay. It's for goodwill daw yung reminders nila. Yun naman, kayo naman. Okay. So, about this app, tingnan natin yung yung sample calculation nila at saka yung APR. So, kung malaman kung ano yung nilalagay nila. Sabi niya dito, the maximum APR is 24%. Loan term is 91 to 1 year, 365 days. Yun nga lang, meron siyang service fee na maximum na 20%. So, doon naman nila ipapadaan yung mga charges nila. Loan channel fee, charged by third party. Talaga ba? Gusto kong malaman kung tama yan. So, punta tayo sa reviews. So, reviews niya ay 4.7 stars at 280,000 reviews. Newest rating, sabi dito, great, go! Thank you so much po, God bless. Kayo naman, malaki lang ang interest for 7 days. Kala ko ba, 90 to 365 days. So, meaning 90, minimum of 90 days. Oh, well, siguro ito yung for 7 days, babayaran mo na yung majority and then, barya na lang yung ibang araw. Di ba? So, puro 5-star naman sila. Great app. Hurry up on bad days. This is one of the few apps that can give small loans. Okay, good. Nice. Nice app. Good. Yes, legit app and legit. Super win. Very nice. Hoping. Ayan, kay La Theos Realty. Sabi niya, hoping. Kaya naman pala mga 5-star, easy to use, fast. Ito na yung magko-confirm sa hinala ko. Hopefully, my application was approved. Pero, wrong grammar siya. Hopefully, my application was approved. Ito, kay Jonaline Gabutan, please help me. Ito po, September 28, 2024, sabi niya, sana ma-approve loan ko. Ayan, di ba? Magre-rate na sila kagad with the hopes na ma-approve sila. Kaya, nagkakaroon ng parang hindi okay na review dahil dyan. Okay, so yan yung unang na-approve na natin. Next is, tumingin na tayo talaga ng may calculation. So ito, September 9, sabi ni Journey Balboa, service fee was too high. Imagine to get a loan amount of 1,000 and you'll only have 650. The service fee was too high and the approval time was too long. I waited for almost 2 days just to find the loan rejected. Good reviews and high ratings here are not true. Most of it are just made because of the promise that if you have a good rating, you'll have a high chance of approval. Ito naman, warning of downloading this app, they have a high interest. I started 1K amount but only received 650. So, parehas nung unang nabasa natin. And my total payment is 1,060 within 7 days. They call in advance before due to remind your payment. Kasi naman, goodwill lang ang reminders, di ba? Okay. When I try to apply in second loan, medyo second loan na siya. Check natin muna dun sa 1K, 650, and 1,060 in 7 days na figures. Okay. So, sabi niya, kailangan niyang bayaran ay 1,060. Pero, ang nakuha niya lang ay 650 pesos. Thus, ang total cost of loan niya ay 410 pesos. I-divide natin to sa 1,060, lumalabas na 38.67% sa loob ng 7 days. I-divide natin to by 7 days, lalabas na 5.52%. I-multiply natin to by 365 days, lumalabas na 2,017%. So, 2,017% ang APR niya. Lumalabas na malayong-malayo sa APR na in-advertise nila 24% per annum. Grabe. Now, na nakita na natin na pangalawang point hindi naman pala 24% ang APR nila at ang interest nila ay sobrang taas na nasa 2,000%. Well, si Prima Loan ay makikita nyo dito sa comparison natin ng mga online lending app. Nandiyan siya sa matataas na interest rates. Okay, lastly, tingnan natin yung collection practice nila. Okay, eto, merong isang nag-comment, sabi niya, how terrible your service is. Don't recommend using this scam and deceiving Ola. Their employees will say profanity words at you. They have a very high interest and they are not legal on the law. Yun yung sabi niya. Ito pa, si Makulit Dael. Don't install this app. Don't believe the positive ratings. Almost all of them are their agents. The Ola have a very high interest, short-term period, and rude agents. They will access your call logs and contacts, then text them all with threatening words and harassment even before your due date. They said that they will give us coffin and kill my family. This is an evil app. Hindi ko masikmura itong comment na to na bakit pati yung pamilya idadamay, di ba? Papatayin. I don't know, pero yun yung sabi niya. Pero reading from this is a sick practice para lang makakolect. So, based dito sa mga nalaman natin na feedback ng mga customer ni Prima Loan, anong masasabi ko? Would I recommend it? Well, definitely, I will not recommend this. Dun pa lang sa sa interest rate, it's very high and predatory. Pangalawa is the harassment na nangyari sa mga previous customer ni Prima Loan. And pangatlo, yung theories ko kanina kung bakit merong advertisement na moka-moka sa advertisement ni Prima Loan, yun nga, parang bakit may ganun? May something. Ano yung something ngayon? Para sa akin, parang shady siya kahit papano. Kung ako yung tatanungin nyo, I will skip this online lending app. So again, kung balak nyo manghiram sa online lending app, make sure na dun po tayo sa legit in the sense na hindi po tayo pagsasamantalaan sa interest rate at merong magandang fair collection practice. Okay? For our question of the day. Nabanggit ko yung mga theories ko kanina kung bakit kakaiba yung advertisement ni Prima Loan. So, anong theory nyo kung bakit yung artista ng Mocha Mocha ay napunta sa ads ni Prima Loan? Bakit? Anong meron? Ano sa tingin nyo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at KMD0004. Sabi niya, nasubukan ko na sir. Thanks sa pagpasa ng information. At KMD004, shoutout po sa inyo at maraming salamat din po sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell buttons sa tabi ng subscribe para ma-receive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!